In this video, we will show you how to book a hotel on Trip.com. If you guys want to get started with Trip.com, you can use the links down in the description. First, go to the Trip.com website or open the Trip.com app on your mobile device. Then enter your destination, check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests. Click search to see available hotels. Next, use filters to narrow down your options based on price, star rating, amenities, and more. You can also sort the results by popularity, price, or rating. Browse through the list of the hotels and click on the one that suits your needs. Review the hotel's details including room types, amenities, and guest reviews. Now select the room type you prefer and click Book Now. Fill in the required guest information including names and contact details. Choose your payment method and enter the necessary payment details. Review your booking details and click Confirm to complete the booking. So that's how to book hotel on Trip.com. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Trip.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.